Okay, they say we're ready for a big snowstorm in Calgary. So I'm going to take a couple of shots here. It is just starting to snow now at 4 p.m. Wednesday afternoon. And we'll see what the weatherman brings us here today.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your ship bare. See, I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rotten in the deep. You have my heart
Well, here we are the day after. As you can see from the barbecue with the snow on top, we did not get the accumulation that was expected. Nevertheless,
Think of me in the depths of your despair.
a snowstorm in April in Calgary, Alberta.
Mine sure won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rotten in the deep. You have my heart inside of your head, and you played it to the beat. Could have had it all. Rotten in the deep. You have my heart inside of your head, but you played it with a beating. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasured gold. You pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow. We could have had it all. We could have had